A very good morning, everyone. Wish you all a Merry Christmas. Hope you all have a wonderful day with your friends, family, and dear ones. So, I'm here doing a live today because I thought most of you would be home and would, have some time to go through this live session. The topic I've chosen for today is amnesia. Amnesia, in simple words, is also known as memory loss. The word amnesia in the Greek language also means forgetfulness, but amnesia is more than just forgetting things. It is a serious, complicated condition which is there, and if not taken care of, can develop into more complications, right? So let's start with the types of amnesia because amnesia is basically memory loss, right? There are few types of amnesias which are there. First is retrograde amnesia. Retrograde amnesia is inability to recall events that have happened just before that event that caused amnesia, right? This is known as retrograde. Then is anterogate. Anterogate is you can't remember new information since your amnesia started, right? Then is transient global amnesia. Transient global amnesia is it's a temporary amnesia. It gets resolved within the same day. Like middle age or older people, sometimes they'll say something repetitively or they forget that they've already said something. So this is transient global amnesia. This is basically a transient. It is a phase which happens and it gets resolved within the same day. Then is post traumatic amnesia. Now, post traumatic amnesia is after an injury to the head, right? If somebody's had an injury to the head, this can either be retrograde and anterograde. It can be of both types, right? So, this is post traumatic amnesia. Then is infantile amnesia. Infantile amnesia is like childhood amnesia. This term is used to describe the way adults can't recollect many memories or episodes of early childhood days. So this is known as infantile amnesia. Then is dissociative amnesia. Dissociative amnesia is caused by stress, trauma, and this could even mean forgetting most of your own identity and your own life history. So this is dissociative. So like that means you are disassociating yourself with your life, right? In rare cases, you may forget all or most of your personal information, and people trying to travel away from home or take up a new identity because your own identity is kind of lost. So this is known as dissociative amnesia. Now, reasons can be many, but most often, they say amnesia is caused due to some kind of brain injury, some illness, some infection, or due to the effects of alcohol abuse or drug abuse, right? If too much alcohol, too much drugs are being taken, that can also be a reason for this problem to happen. Now, what are the causes of amnesia? Causes of amnesia is dementia, anoxia. Anoxia is depletion of oxygen. When there are low levels of oxygen supply to your brain, that can also lead to amnesia, right? Then damage to the hippocampus. Now, what is hippocampus? Hippocampus is part of the brain and the limbic system, right? The limbic system that is responsible for your memory. So, when there is any kind of damage caused to the hippocampus, then also you can have problems of amnesia. Then are head injuries, stress, stroke, brain tumor, seizures, medications, some kind of emotional trauma, seizures. They also say there are electroconclusive therapy that is usually given for depression that can also sometimes have its own side effects and can lead to amnesia. Now, what are the symptoms? What are the early signs and symptoms that can tell you that maybe yes, you have amnesia or you're heading towards it? This is disorientation, confusion, and false memories. False memories. You have your own stories which you think are true but are actually not. So this disorientation, this confusion is what are major symptoms which can indicate that somebody is maybe having amnesia, right? So, what is the treatment? There is no specific treatment involved, but there are treatments and therapies and natural therapies and procedures which are there to help, heal the brain, to help reverse the damages caused to the brain, right? And how is this done? There are few techniques which are adapted to make sure that the life of person who's going through amnesia gets better. That confusion, disorientation doesn't start affecting them mentally because these things can start affecting you emotionally as well. When people around you keep telling you that you don't remember this, you said this again and again. So there are various procedures by which you can reverse the damage caused to the brain. So first of all is occupational therapy. What is occupational therapy? That means new information is given, new strategies to organize information. Like when you start to organize information in a better way, that will help in you having a better life, because then you have a proper procedure by which you will, like if you wake up, you will see some things, you'll know, okay, uh, you do those steps will help you lead to your routine. Then is technology. Now, like smartphones, tablets also can also help you remind of various events, right? You can make notes, you can keep photos, book appointments. So this is also a way to help heal the brain and to reverse the damage caused and to help a person lead a better life, right? So this is known as the with the help of technology, and obviously medications are also there. So no drug as such is there to treat amnesia, but alternative medicines can be taken. How alternative medicines? Now, because alternative medicines can help by warding off any kind of inflammation that is being caused in the system. Need to understand, if there is inflammation in the brain, that means swelling in the brain, the flow of oxygen, flow of nutrients supply will be restricted. Like I also told you, there's anoxia when there is depletion of oxygen levels, when there are low levels of oxygen levels leading to the brain, that also causes amnesia, right? How does this happen? When there is any kind of oxidative damage, that can be due to injury, infection, ailment, right? And this infection enragement, what does it do? It leads to inflammation, that is swelling. So when there will be swelling inside your system, in your brain, the oxygen levels to the brain will not be proper, and when the oxygen levels are not proper, that can affect your memory, that can lead to memory loss. Now, how do you prevent amnesia? Now, just I'm going to be reading out few points with a preventive measures which can be taken, right? So you can, following healthy habits can lower your risk of blackouts, head injuries, dementia, stroke, and other potential causes of memory loss. So, these things which I'm going to be telling you are preventive measures of various things which you usually do on a daily basis, and how you can prevent it is: avoid heavy use of alcohol or drugs, use protective headgear while playing sports or while you're cycling, because you're at a high risk of concussion, right? If something like this happens, you get an injury to the head, that is one of the reasons what can lead to amnesia, right? So try wearing protective gear. Stay mentally active throughout your life. For instance, take classes, explore new places, read new books, and play mentally challenging games so that your brain is active, your mental health is active, right? Stay physically active throughout your life. Eat a healthy diet, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat proteins. Stay hydrated. Now, you all know these things, right? We all know that healthy eating is important. We all know that it is very important to exercise. It is very important to have a healthy regime, and to have a holistic approach towards life, where we are eating well, drinking well, we are sleeping well. Most importantly, sleep is one of the most important factors that needs to be taken care of, right? So this is how a person with amnesia can help better their life by reversing the damage caused to the brain. So why I'm here again? Because at Bagdara Farms also we have this natural therapy with Neuramin. The product which we have is Neuramin. It's an organic supplement. You can see on the screens the name of the product. It's an organic supplement made out of highly enriched curcumin. The curcumin in our products is between 11 to 19%. The certifications for the same is also available on our website, which is www.bagdarafarms.com. When you go on our website, when you go scroll down, we have a certification section which shows that we are certified by USA FDA and FSSAI. We also have a lab report which shows that the curcumin percentage in our products is between 11 to 19%, right? Please understand that Neuramin also is being given as a medicinal supplement. It is being given for preventive treatment measures because of the high curcumin percentage it exhibits. If the curcumin will not be high in turmeric, it will not be potent enough to help you with prevention or treatment of any kind of ailment, right? Now, coming back to Neuramin, on the same website which I have written, www.bagdarafarms.com, which is flashing on the screens, in the our product section, we have this product Neuramin, right? Neuramin has various pharmacological, medicinal, therapeutic abilities which can help with healing of the brain, which can help with reversing the damage caused to the brain without causing any side effects on your system, right? So, what are the properties? It's an anti inflammatory, it's an antioxidant, right? Sorry. It has neuroprotective properties. It's a natural antidepressant. It enhances neuroplasticity and neurogenesis. It lowers risk of dementia. It improves your cognitive function. It enhances the regeneration of brain cells. It accentuates Alzheimer's related chronic inflammation. It has antioxidant properties that prevent cell damage. Now you need to understand these all properties, right, are because of the curcumin which is present in Neuramin. So this is how Neuramin can help a person treat amnesia in a very effective way without causing any side effects, without having any ill effects on your system, and will also help in making sure that your brain gets stronger, right? Whatever damage has been caused to the brain gets reversed and you're able to lead a better life. For more information about the product, the link to the website is on the screens. That is www.bagdarafarms.com, right? If you need more information about the product, you can also give us a call on our number, which is 9560254646. The number is flashing on your screens. We are available on this number on call, message, and WhatsApp. You can call us, message us, drop a WhatsApp message with your name and your query. We are a team of consultants available to address this for you, right? The consultation is free of cost. You can take consultation for any kind of problem from us. You can talk in length about your problems. If there is something in the family you want to discuss about, for which you need natural therapy. And if you really believe in natural therapy, natural treatment methods, then you should surely try our products here at Bagdara Farms. They are 100% organic, they are chemical free, they are non GMO, right? They have no side effects on the system, and most importantly, they are curcumin enriched. So, this golden spice, right? The goodness of this golden spice can only be felt and seen on the body if the curcumin percentage is high, and we give you that. Our percentage is between 11 to 19%. Now, one bottle of Neuramin has 60 grams of powder in it. It is a course for 20 days. Any treatment you start, you need to take it for a minimum course period, because that much time it takes for natural supplements to show results on the body. We usually recommend a course of 2 months, right? So if you take it for 40 days to 2 months continuously, that means for 4 to 8 weeks, if you take the product continuously, you will see changes in the symptoms, you will see changes in the side effects which are there caused due to amnesia on the body, right? It is in powder form. One bottle, like I said, has 60 grams of powder. A turmeric tea has to be prepared and consumed twice in the day, either empty stomach or 1 to 2 hours after your meals. The procedure is also given on our website under our product section, where you go on Neuramin. You can read about Neuramin, you can see its properties, its specialities, how it has to be consumed. And if you take it like that for a minimum period of 2 months, we assure you that you will see the changes you are looking for, and it will help in reversing the damage caused to the brain due to amnesia, right? For more information, please do visit us on all of our platforms if you really want to know more about Bagdara Farm. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn as Bagdara Farms. You can visit any of these places, write your comments, write your queries there, and we will get back to you with the best solution which we can. If you really believe in scientific evidence, although there is no scientific evidence needed to show the potency or work of turmeric, because we know that it's an age-old spice which has miraculous medicinal benefits. But still, if you need, there's a scientific evidence section on our website. Under the scientific evidence section, we have articles written on the basis of surveys, trial studies conducted all across the world, which shows how the curcumin, a component in turmeric, can help with prevention and treatment of various ailments, right? With that, I come to the end of this live session. Thank you so much, everyone who kept joining in. If you have any more queries, do visit our website, which is www.bagdarafarms.com. The product for amnesia is Neuramin, right? And you can call us on our number, which is 9560254646. With that, everyone, I come to the end of this live. Thank you so much for being here. Wish you all a Merry Christmas once again. Have a lovely day and enjoy the weekend ahead. I'll see you all again soon. Thank you.